In this video, we will see together le futur proche, but more precisely, when the futur proche is used to express something that will happen in the distant future. So the futur proche, in most of the cases, we use it to express something that will happen in the near future. 5 minutes, maybe in few hours, but it is also possible to use it to express something that will happen in the distant future. And the question is why? And of course, I will give you the answer. Because we use the present form in the construction of le futur proche, it gives a certainty in this future concept. And this is really important. This is when grammar meets psychology. Because we are using, remember, the verb aller in the present form for this futur proche. It means that because we use it in the present, in our brain, in our mind, we connect it automatically to the present. And because we connect it to the present, it gives you this certainty concept. So let's have a look now with few examples. So futur proche used to express something that will happen in the distant future, but is mostly certain to happen. Nous allons partir en Australie dans 2 ans. Nous allons partir en Australie dans 2 ans. So we're talking about 2 years in that case, so it's not in 5 minutes or it's not today or tomorrow, but still we use this futur proche, nous allons partir. So remember, here it's the verb aller in the present form, and then you put the infinitive. Nous allons partir. By using this structure, le futur proche, it gives me the feeling that it's certain. It will happen. It's for sure. Second example, ils vont se marier l'année prochaine. Ils vont se marier l'année prochaine. So in that situation, if I would use ils se marieront l'année prochaine, the real future, funnily, it would give me less certainty than by using this futur proche structure. Once again, we use aller here in the present, ils vont, then we put the verb in the infinitive form, se marier. And by using that, it is for sure in my mind. Ils vont se marier l'année prochaine. Allez, 2 more examples. Nous allons déménager dans 18 mois. Nous allons déménager dans 18 mois. Same thing here, hein, futur proche, the verb aller in the first person of the plural. Nous allons, and then your infinitive, déménager. Le divorce va être prononcé dans 2 ans. Le divorce va être prononcé dans 2 ans. So in that case, you've got a passive form, but still it's the futur proche. Va être prononcé. So in all these cases, I really have the feeling that it is certain. Nous allons déménager dans 18 mois. Le divorce va être prononcé dans 2 ans. So remember that the futur proche can also be used to express something that will happen in the distant future and that will be almost certain, or at least in my mind, it will be certain.